Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how ClickFunnels affiliate program works and how to make sales like a pro. So let's dive into the video. So first of all, we need to understand what ClickFunnels is. So ClickFunnels is a software which helps us to create a sales funnel or websites on the internet without any technical knowledge or coding. So let me take you to my screen and show you. Okay, so this is how ClickFunnels dashboard looks like. Okay, what you need to do is you need to click on funnels, and when you will click on funnels, it will take you to this page. Okay, and it's very easy to create a page using ClickFunnels. Okay, so you can just click anywhere and you can change the text. Okay, and same like that you can change images and everything. Okay, so this is ClickFunnels. Now ClickFunnels have an affiliate program which pays 40% commission to every affiliate who gives them a customer, right? So if someone is signing up for ClickFunnels from your link, you are going to get 40% commission every single month. So ClickFunnels costs around $97 and you are going to get $38 every single month for that single person. Okay, and the best part about ClickFunnels affiliate program is that it has a sticky cookie on it. What I mean by sticky cookie is like a person joined ClickFunnels from your link, okay, but few months later ClickFunnels sold them something else. ClickFunnels sold them some of their another program, but still you are going to get 40% of the commission for that program as well, right? So this is how sticky cookie work. It tells ClickFunnels that you are the person who sent that customer to ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels is going to pay you 40% commission for every sale which is going to happen in the future. Maybe 2 years from now, that same customer you have sent to ClickFunnels is going to buy a $1,000 product, and still you are going to get $400 for that customer without doing any work. So this is the best part about ClickFunnels affiliate programs, that it uses sticky cookie. Now if you don't know how to get people to sign up for ClickFunnels software, there are another products that ClickFunnels have. Let me show you. As you can see, ClickFunnels have different products which you can promote. Okay, so this is one of their product, and they have books which you can promote, and later on when someone read the book and go to ClickFunnels and buys their product, you are still going to get the commission, right? So this is a traffic secret book. This is a one funnel away challenge. Okay, and this is .com secret, expert secret, funnel script, network marketing secret. These are the products from which you can get some person into the ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels is going to do the sale for you. It means you have to get someone into the ClickFunnels once, and then they are going to do the hard work for you. The best part about ClickFunnels affiliate program is they are going to pay for your dream car. It means if you have 200 members under your account, they are going to pay you $1,000, and if you have 100 people under your account, they are going to pay you $500 every single month for free, no questions asked. It means they are going to pay you $1,000 every single month. If you want to buy your dream car, you can buy that. If you want to take the cash, you can do that as well. Now you know about what is ClickFunnels affiliate program and how it works. Now many of you don't know how to get people into the ClickFunnels. Many of you want to join the program, but you don't know how to get someone into the ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels has created an affiliate bootcamp. It means in that bootcamp they are going to teach you exactly what you need to do, and the top marketers, the top affiliates who are crushing the game in ClickFunnels affiliate program are going to teach you that step by step what you need to do. So they have created an affiliate bootcamp for beginners who want to promote ClickFunnels, and they are going to provide it to you for free. So you can learn from those top affiliates who are crushing it and learn from them and start promoting ClickFunnels and get sales like pro. Now I would drop the affiliate bootcamp link in the description, and from there you can go and join the affiliate bootcamp, which is totally free. You can go there and learn from them because it is the best for people who want to promote ClickFunnels. Why? Because the top affiliates are teaching you the strategies which works, and those are the top affiliates who are crushing the game. So you can just and there are 30 affiliates who are going to teach you. So you just need to choose one you can relate with, start implementing the strategies. There are strategies which are paid, and there are affiliates who are teaching how to get people into ClickFunnels affiliate, like ClickFunnels software, for free organically. So it is going to be very helpful for you. So this is how ClickFunnels affiliate program works. If you are really interested to start promoting ClickFunnels, the best way to start according to me is to learn from affiliate bootcamp. The link is in the description. You can go and join right now. Thank you so much for listening till now. I have created this channel and I post videos related to affiliate marketing, ClickFunnels and ClickFunnels affiliate programs. So if you enjoyed it, please give me a comment, or if you don't find it much helpful, please leave a comment so I can improve my videos and help you more. Thank you so much for listening till now, and see you in the next video.